Today I will be showing you how to submit contributions online through your owner portal. First, you will need to open your browser to www.dodsonpropertymanagement.com. You will notice three options along the top of your page. Choose Owner Login. Once you click here, it will open a new tab with the owner portal login information. Your email address will be the same address you use for all communication with Dodson. Enter your password and click Login. Once you are logged in, find Transactions on the left hand of your screen. You will now see a Make a Contribution button in blue. From here, you will follow the step-by-step process to submit the payment. Choose the address that you would like to contribute to and enter the amount of your contribution. Next, you will need to decide your payment method. The e-check is the free option, or you can use a credit or debit card for a small fee. On the next page, you will need to enter your account information. The final page allows you to review the transaction and submit the payment. Please allow for 24 hours for everything to process. If you have any questions about this process, you can reach out to your property manager via phone or email. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.